Hey, how you doing? How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back, and I have this 2019 Honda Accord. I put 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil, by the way, just so you know. Before I get into this oil life reset, I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, please. Alright, so when you start the vehicle, it's running right now, you're gonna see that message. That means it's time to do the oil change and reset the message, or reset the oil life. Now, in this 2019 Honda Accord, you have 2 ways. With this, and with this. So I'm gonna show you both ways. With this, you're gonna see the message. Press this button, or press this one. Then you're gonna scroll down with this until you see that maintenance. Click it. It's gonna take you there, and it tells you right here, press that button to reset it. And that's what we're gonna do. Press it. It's gonna take you there. Scroll up, and you can pick that one. It's fine. It's gonna tell you that reset completed. Oil life 100%. This way is through this, with this. And through here, just gonna press home, go settings, go vehicle, scroll down, go maintenance info, reset, select reset items, and you can pick this one, all do items, or pick this one, the oil and filter. Let's pick this one. It's gonna ask you, would you like to reset maintenance information? Yes. It says 100% because we just did it through here, right? But if you didn't do it through here, it's gonna tell you like 10% or something like that. Well, would you like to reset the maintenance information? Yes, reset it. Maintenance information has been reset. And this is how you reset, 2 ways to reset the oil life in this 2019 Honda Accord. By the way, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the comments, suggestions, ideas, anything you need to say, put it in the comment box. Don't forget the feedback. I need the feedback. Please put it there for me in the comment box. And I'll catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Stu Buru. Hey!